Good morning, kindergarten friends, and welcome to Tuesday Math. Today we're going to read a story, and then we're going to do a counting story, and then Miss Gann is going to explain your directions. The story we're going to read today is How to Catch a Turkey.
How to Catch a Turkey, written by Adam Wallace, illustrated by Andy Elkerton. Here we are on Thanksgiving Day. It's that special time of year. Yes, I know I am a turkey. That much should be clear. So gather round, I have a tale, and it's really quite a story. What I tell you now is not a joke. It is my crowning glory. It all began 1 year ago. I was at school, you see. Play preparations were underway, but that didn't matter to me. Some kids walked by in silly clothes, talking about the play. We'll even have a turkey on stage. It's perfect for Thanksgiving Day. Turkey? Stage? No way, no how. Had I really heard that right? I broke out of my pen and ran away with a case of bad stage fright. I burst into the science room, knocked over flasks and beakers, and the cry of "Catch that turkey!" boomed over the loudspeakers. So now more children joined the chase with catapults and food, but their goopy mashed potatoes weren't enough to keep me glued. Up next, there was a maze of books that stretched from wall to wall, but with a big hop and a mighty flap, I managed to escape it all. I ducked past chairs and bags and desks. Now that was quite the trick. The kids thought they could stop me here, but I was much too quick. I ran outside to the jungle gym, thinking I could hide. But the recess yard was all tricked out. I'd have better luck inside. Finally, the kids gave up, but the principal gave chase. My only hope of escaping her was keeping up my pace. I slid into the coach's room and crashed into a chair. I got tangled up in jerseys, but I won't get stuck in there. I ran into a curtain. There was nowhere else to go. I couldn't get past the principal, but the curtain led to the show. My heart was racing. I started to sweat. I couldn't squawk or run. I took a deep breath. I can do this. Who knows? This might be fun. A kid stood up and pointed. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He really is, a parent agreed, in his little mascot suit. I started to smile and even dance, while the crowd continued to cheer. I was filled with joy that I took the chance, and that's what started my mascot career. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe.
All right, friends, and now we're going to read a short story called At the Parade. And this is a counting story, so we're going to have to count the things at the parade. So our words to know, we have leader and trees, reefs, turkeys, floats, parade, band members, candy canes, building, reporters, and balloons. We will see blank leader at the parade. How many leaders do you see on the page? If you said 1, you are correct. We have 1 leader. We will see blank reporters at the parade. Please count how many reporters you see. If you said 2, you are correct. Oh, let's go down to the next page. We will see blank balloons at the parade. Miss Gann sees a dinosaur, a turkey, and a bear. 1, 2, 3. We will see 3 balloons at the parade. We will see blank trees at the parade. Go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you said 4, you're doing outstanding. How many do you think we're going to see next? How many buildings? Let's see if it follows our counting order. Miss Gann's going to make a prediction that it's going to be 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends. We will see blank candy canes at the parade. We have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Miss Gann's going to type in 6. How many wreaths do you see? How many will be at the parade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. Let's count our band members. Let's see how many are going to be at the parade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many turkeys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That one tried to trick me. And the last one, how many floats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends. So what we just did was made an interactive counting story. Let's go ahead and see our oh, Miss Gann forgot our page. We love the parade. Our work for today is called Thanksgiving Counting 0 to 10. So just like we did in our story, we're going to look and count and then find the correct numbers. So we're going to look up here. We're going to look at the top picture in the white box. And then we have pies on the side, and you're going to put the correct pie in our little box that says, how many pictures do you see? So let's do the first 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go through my pies. Here's the 8, and move it on down. The next one, how many pumpkins do you see? 1, 2, 3. You pull your pumpkin. All right, friends, you're going to do this for all of the remainder of the slides, okay? Remember, after math today, there is no social studies today because it's a catch-up day. So Miss Gann wants you to work on all of the assignments that you have not completed or any of your missing assignments. If you don't have anything missing, I want you to do some iRead lessons or some Dreambox, okay? Miss Gann wants to let you all have a great Thanksgiving and to be careful and have a great time, and Miss Gann will see you next Monday. All right, guys.